Share the video, let it go viral. Let it go viral. Share the video. Good evening, good evening, good evening. Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. You are blessed. Oh, my father, happy Father's Day. You are welcome. Share the video, let it go viral. Share the video, let it go viral. Why go say how you wanna ya fe. Era bi wa. Wa gbe no yo ba happy Father's Day. Wa gbe no yo ba, wa gbe no yo ba. I feel so now, so share the video, let it go viral. No time for music, no time for music. You are all welcome, you are all good evening. Una know me, I'm me, and brother, na new generation prophet attitude. Una welcome, una good evening. Happy Father's Day. More no look what the father they do. We have to wish it. We have to wish our father happy Father's Day. Oh no, why Gabosa you say? So, una welcome, una good evening. Any I tell with them, my papa, happy Father's Day, they are certain for me. I just say some women for inside the town say they're not the wish happy man, they're not the wish happy Father's Day. If papa not give your mama, mama no go collect them. If you say a lie, when woman your day, I may not try am. Papa say appear for them. So for that simple reason, anyhow where our papa they do good or they not do good or they do bad. Una say the thing see some bad women we see they do bad. But when you go reach happy Mother's Day, we go wish them. I see many presenters will be women since they not feel wish for happy Father's Day. Not be waiting you not good, not waiting you good, not be waiting complete. If you that presenter, you never wish happy Father's Day. Try me, you on your platform, you wish your papa. May wish a happy Father's Day. So now welcome. Let us go straight to the topic. Topic we want to see we arrive for there. You get one of our brother for Benin. When I see a video, as I see a video, I was very surprised. You see, gave one of our sister where they live for France. When I see a video yesterday, I was very surprised. So now I say when I come this evening. This our brother where they live for Benin. Now yesterday they mention his name. I can't ask person, they can't send me Facebook. As they send me Facebook, anytime we did for line, it go make yo for my phone. I don't say Stephanie. I don't know his papa name. I don't say it did for line. I'll suffer the sit down. You know no Stephanie now if they knock your Yibo, if they knock and cool. Go the knock and go the enter my ear. Not be all those kind of bad picking we will get for inside Benin. Not be that kind of picking. Now this one be. This one, if you did not kill you, if they enter my ear, anytime when I see say start finding it for line, I don't know your papa name. If you don't know your papa name, I help me to write your papa name, John. Now I can see one video when he do. He say if they go the way our pikin they suffer. If we live there like this, in 5 years' time, the crown when he go there, he go pass the one who they cry, the puss is there. He can't tell say who tell government. Who be the government? Una know people will be the government now. People when he clap hand say government he go do better thing. Una know them now. Now be the government. So we never go straight to the topic. So I can't see one video when one of our sister do. Una know ane Ijore Omoze of Paris. Una know. Ijore know your Omoze. Una know the video. I can't see one video when he do. We say fertilizer. I not quit know what he talk with fertilizer. I can't put it down. I can't tell them say, una not say the old man where they see now. They say, eh? Now I say now this one make the tell them since then will make them come buy root. They not grip come buy. If you come buy the root, you will see the difference where you dey be. If you be 5 minutes man, if you be woman where they there, force your husband may come buy roots. And they come up. You get one video when I want to play today. Get one video when I want to play for here. Those videos when I want to play, now one naked woman waiting for London, with that Igbo man still shop. Before we go straight to the topic, make una share the video, make it viral. I want to play music. When I go share the video, make it viral, make this viral hand. Una know the topic when I say we want to talk today. One, now our brother waiting for Benin, pikin where they see the truth where they talk, Stephanie. He go come play a video. I go play a video and I go listen to what he talk. Before I come talk put, before I come producer, before I come give the message go come enter us. He get one when I see yesterday again. Iyoro Omoze wey dey for France, Paris, where they talk to our women. He say me our women be patient, make them their encouragement. Make it they not they run again, make it they not they come up for us, husband us again. I take talk am, una go here for a match. If una here for a match finish, I'll come tell una, wait till take on me. You know say where our papa we dey for village. Our papa they call our rock the buyer. Person not the live outside. Now be that route where our papa they take. Where they make our mama no gree come up for us that time. Where our mama, you know what our mama they talk our papa that time go say, now let that one reach for your own. I can't we done your pass somewhere. Now my papa they tell my mama that time. No, because my papa he showed me how to get the route. When I go for village, he give me the route. I can't they know the shame, the shame no let them come take. If you can't take out, the man said the route you don't dry. You know, say for our place now, fresh one, I will take big and come out. You will bring a fresh one. You go put up for bottle. All the old chemical waiting for the fresh root. You go quick come. This one now, not be saying you can reach out. You buy drink, put for once. You buy drink, put for two. If you buy drink, cook, you feel live for a long time, may soak. May make sure say it soak. Say the heat test go come out. So before we go straight to the point, una welcome my papa. Happy Father's Day. God go bless all my papa with fair come. Papa will born me call this life. Happy Father's Day. Oh. Before we go straight to the point now, I beg if you your first day or coming here to come see me, make you press the notification bell and make you press the I like your thing, make you press the following. I beg papa mama will go see this video. No so na me Bruna Pikin, new generation prophet at it way come from the place where they know they call they know they confess now therefore come for via notice. Una no say all those if I dey talk Stephanie word they go just will come and analyze and well be like say since 1960 when they don't come these people they do us mago they do us wayo. It be like say we there don't the diaspora now will bring one woman come out for Igbobaha or Uromi side. Make they come a dog governor no woman. Make they come who try am. We'll see tell our papa, tell our mama, make they vote for that woman. We'll see try woman because somebody talk at that time say give woman a chance. So before we go straight to the topic now, make una share the video, make it viral. If you're today before time when you come, I say they beg papa, they beg mama, they beg individual. I beg. Make una subscribe, go Prophet Atiti Talk Show. Now there be by the name of my YouTube Prophet Atiti Talk Show. You know say I not going for school. I not going for school. So any I tell speak this broken English, make una take am for me. God go bless una for money. He go bless una for evening. Before we go to the topic now, I beg, I want to see beg papa, beg my mama. I beg, make una go subscribe to Prophet Atiti Talk Show. More we can start the journey what we want to do. We can start on it. It go smoothly. Many papa go happy, many mama go happy. If una come for that YouTube, una dey carry pikin round body. Una dey carry pikin round body, pikin go dey know wetin we dey talk. That time, he get the day for Edo, he get the day for broken English. You know, say they say, my papa say when I Zedo, he get the day for Edo, he get the day for Benin. Oh, papa, mama, able to you be enemy, where you dey, anywhere you dey for part of the world. Even though they speak Benin for them before, carry them near body. If I want to do wetin not complete, I dey go Facebook, go do one. My YouTube, now wetin I want to do down where pikin want come meet pikin go come know say na papa, na head born na new generation, na head papa be. So make una good evening, make una welcome, make una bless. Anywhere on there for part of the world, I just say some do birthday yesterday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So that's why I give una this for this evening. I don't want to take for this live video. I beg you make una subscribe to Prophet Atiti Talk Show. More go dey knack for there. Una know say na so we dey do am small. All of una welcome. Before we go straight to the point, I go play Stephanie for now before I come play Yore Obiomoze video. I'll come play for now too. Una not saying that maybe pikin when I like to play video. Another person video for my platform, but this one. I beg you, Benin, I beg papa, I beg mama, anywhere you live for part of the world. Make una not quarrel with me say I play another man video for my platform. I want plan because you get it when I want plan. This our brother, now Stephanie that they call and for a side Benin. When I took and put more and listen to a voice first, so before we can talk for him, oh, before we can talk. We want to find out whether I go see him, or you know, say the thing they have to find. No be get a day. Share the video, let the video go viral. Oh, why I can't be viral? Go and tell Vera say I come out today. God bless all of you now. I know the yak bang. I know the yak bang. I know the share am. Muna do this favor for me now. My brother, my sister, make una help me. That I tell you, make una subscribe. Go Prophet Atiti. Muna make una help me. Me they beg. So mo go first go. Now someone want play.
This is to remind the entire public about what I spoke of, I think about 2 years ago or 3 years ago, concerning the children all over the streets of this country. There is no state you go to, you don't find children all over the streets. It is a great burden upon the society. And ever since then, there is no project ongoing to see to it that these children leave the streets to become relevant to the society. Yesterday, I saw a particular sect, because these children are in different categories. There are some who leave their parents' house to they go down to the street to beg, to eat. But these categories I'm talking about, they don't have anywhere to lay their head, except at the bottom.
My country people, una hear this man where they talk to, una say funny, na beneath they stay. Una know why I come play this video for, una make una listen. You know say, they tell us say, Edo must move forward, Edo must great. He talk one thing just now for there, he say one part at this particular time, there is nowhere these children are staying. And these children will grow up tomorrow and will become a comic cry. Oh, Obaseki. Don't be say you telling us, oh. But Obase, you say I don't go great if I want to. They say pikin they sleep on street. Tomorrow they go contact to criminal. Tomorrow they contact to Aruba, oh, Obase. No be so I tell us up. I don't want to go for what? What get what here? You have to do waru. I'm by my wife.
Bus stops. Once it is morning like this, they come out, they get to where this restaurant, they hang around there and begin to beg for food. Once it is night, they retire back.
My country people, una no say as it not good. As it not good, now make we come out, we call Europe, so we come fight the daily bread. We call Europe, we come fight daily bread. Obase come tell us, say Edo was great to Obase, as if for total time. Today I see the street of Obase, what is the go of Obase? What young?
To the bus stop. Yesterday,
I
was not myself when I saw one particular one growing into a big boy right on the streets. What is it growing into? It's not growing into skill acquisition, no academics, nothing. So I kind of pity my society.
Tomorrow, una go say Atiti no go school, na any trade. Pikin dey for street, e be carry street, pikin dey for street, tomorrow they go try to courtesy. Tomorrow, una go dey send a message. Una no find where put this street there, una no find where put this street there for us. As e no good for us, na make you go more for us. Una come tell us that day, Edo diaspora, they say, okay, Edo must great, Edo magi, why can't Edo great?
Piety, kind of pity my country. I kind of pity the environment we are living in. To find children grow up without any guardian, no skill acquisition,
my sweet mommy,
no academics, no one to care for them. I kind of imagine what impact.
They not go care for them. I know their own. They know tomorrow. Before they come out, they go scatter Lagos Street. They'll say that they repair the road. Why they go care? They are picking them for Europe. And they hear now say someone will come up for us now. They are picking them for Europe. Why they go care for small children? Now they say they want to help us. They say they want to help us. They say don't must great. They say don't not be Lagos. They say be tapping body. See the body where they tapping now. They say the new lay foundation. I did the no foundation where they want it. I not see them no foundation more. Chaipu, hey, Chaipu. They say pikin dey for street. They not dey fit dey go school. No school again. Fulani go dey catch them for inside class. Fulani go dey catch them for inside class. Now so, Mona say sorry for us now. I beg, we dey beg una. Mona sorry for the junior masses when they come. Pikin dey go break. If Papa no fit take off, I go street. He go sleep for there. If not only that one wanna see do for us, now wanna come out the children for street. Wanna come out there for street.
Such children will be to the society. So please, I am here to do this again to appeal to the entire public. For those who
what the Obaseki Noga say, our Excellency, we are pleading to take the children away from the street. The street is not good for the children. They are not going to school. Tomorrow they will turn to arrogancy. Gonna come out to for street. Gonna come out our children for street. As it's not good now, all of us don't come out. Una come cry meet us that day. We can't do one for Una. Una say do in the diaspora. Do in the diaspora. Do in the diaspora too. They tell their papa, they tell their mama. They say to the children for street. Obaseki, Abatobaze. Sanokodi Yarioni was Sanokodi Yarioni Wena.
Can revoice this, please do. Those who can take this message to those in authority to see to it that
where worry message not partners. Where worry those who can revoice it, we are reversing it so.
We help the children out of the streets. Are we leaving them or because we are feeling they are guilty? Are we leaving them because they are guilty of the circumstance they find themselves? No, they are not guilty. They are not guilty at all. They are children. So that is why we must see to it that these children leave the street. And it's also going to be for the good of the country. Now that they are all over the streets, no education, They are not learning work, nothing. They wake up in the morning, they just look for what to eat. Once it is night, they retire back to the bus stop and begin to sleep. At time will come, they'll begin to have desires, aspirations. Now, how are they going to achieve whatever they wish to have when they don't have any handiwork, when they don't have any education? So please, to the federal government, I have a suggestion. Let all the governors of every state be given a mandate immediately. There are so many government offices that are not in use. We can renovate immediately, have all these children to go.
Small pikin dey for street. Una don scatter some. Not be the one who una scatter so with the house for now. The one where government is building when they are bad don't make una pack our small pikin comot for street and beg the governor not gonna sell pass our excellency. We come begging now. What is the full street? They not dey go school again. For that building, when I could go put there now, that building, where could I abandon, when I not they use again, when I give the better teacher for there, make it the teach there. May the fee be to Lucha tomorrow, the fee be to Lucha tomorrow, the fee be picking, the fee be picking will go to governor for us tomorrow. Una not they care for them again, why not they care for all those children? All of Bemuja say care for us, Abusali Tabie. Abu Sali, Agbo Malaka Levita call Lagoon. I did bring am o. We know they say Agbo Malaka Levita again. No one will they see. Now social road una devulo. Now social road una devulo. Una come for this one. I say na this one be the better governor. And we go move it don't forward. We come now. Waiting with the bed for now, make una remove our children for street because the more the children they go for street again now. 10 years now that they join our team now, our team will not they join. 10 years that they join until when they join. 10 years now that they give gun, take the work out for road, make them not suspect. 10 years that they join until when I come out of the children for road. If we not leave them for road, now me 10 years time, if killing go see the too much, I beg with the beg now. Okay, talk to us first.
Down there, we put people with pure human hearts to take care of these children, not people who will demoralize them the more, not people who will be insulting them, people who will treat them right and to bring out the best in these children. Among all of them, there are a lot of intellectuals. Among all of them, they have a lot of gift and talent to help this country. We can do our best to have all these children all over offices that are not in use, that belongs to the government. We renovate the ones we can renovate. The ones that are in good condition, we take these children there. Those ones who are interested in academics, we make sure we encourage them. Those ones who want to learn handwork, we make sure we encourage them. I wouldn't want the entire public to see this as a liability. It's not a liability for us to spend our time and our added income to bring up the children from the street, to take the children out of the street. It's not a liability. These children as well, they are also going to be of a very great relevance to us. Because if I am being raised from such background and I become somebody in life, if I am mandated to make contributions to as well take others away from the street, I will do that with all joy. Imagine all these children, if we take them out of the street, we sponsor so many to go to school, sponsor many to learn handwork of any kind, and they become somebody relevant in life and they are not making money in life. If you ask them to contribute towards a project to take other children away from the street, they will, with all great joy, they will contribute. So it's never going to be a liability. Once we have all these centers right there, there are so many people who are also looking for children to bring up, to help through, so they can go to places like that to be.
Una good evening, una good evening, una good evening. Make una share the video, make it very reach very hand. If na today be the first day where you come here, press the notification bell. And make you press I like your thing, make you press the following. Make you subscribe, go Prophet Atiti Top Show. Now maybe Prophet Atiti will come from Ofia Southeast, so I don't know the one will be Southeast, I don't know the one will be West. I'll come from Ofia for those states. This is our brother video where they call Stephanie. 2 years ago, he don't do this kind of video. Now he can't repeat them again. He says it's when we shout, Edo was great, Edo was great, Edo must move forward. He said the children see there for street. He said the children is still parabolating along the street. What do we come back now? All the old government ask where kuna about the way people not dey. If na zinc, make una take zinc block am for us. Make una take zinc block the window. Make una comot the children for street. Make una carry the children go there. Even though una no open una academic again, any people wey they put for there, where they take care of them, it be like say they go they take a black body, they teach them for war. They come put slate for war. They come put somebody for war. They come they teach them. May all those pikin dey intellectual. Oh. Na so na come change Benito. All the name una wan catch rabbit, una wan catch rabbit for hole, una wan catch rabbit for hole, una wan get sales price, una wan buy private jet, una wan build filling station. Filling. None of they build. Una pikin dey for Europe. Other people they suffer 3 mil square, they cannot chop 3 mil square. Fulani no let they go farm again now. Children full street now. What you not they do for us now? Not even what they do for us. This time now, me they tell the whole Edo, we get them, we go form party, Edo women. We go form party before the next election, Edo women, we go form her. Since our papa don't talk and write from town, so Mother Joseph said, "Mo give you my chance." Since una na fit tell una papa for house, tell una mama for house, say make they vote for Obaseki. Godwin Noga say Obaseki, say na good governor. Next one, when we dey come, we not get party. Now Edo women we get her. We fit take for Misako. We fit take for Magbo. We fit take for Mushan. We fit take for Benin. We will put her there. All of us go support her. We will tell our papa, our mama, we will vote for her. We will try woman. If you not work for 8 years, we will see come out and we will see try man. So we will do one. No, not say Ajala market for Germany. When he come, he rule past the year when he's supposed to rule. Now, he say he want resign. Now, he say he want resign. They see the beggar may continue. So it be like saying so we go to do a very short video. I beg, make una send this message, may go viral, may reach Vera hand. If it reach Vera hand, Vera go know as go take commoter for your hand. So na short video, I know I play video finish. If you want to listen to this voice of this Stephanie finish, you go a page, you go listen to them. The one when I your take, you know say I know the take for video. As I know the take for video, make una share the video, make it viral, maybe ban a woman hand. So I want to go to Yoro Omoze. Yoro Omoze wait there for Paris. Una know say I know the play big person video, but what he talking, he say fertilizer. I don't know what he take fertilizer mean. Now I say I go come plan before I go show the naked picture. The naked picture, if you not show am for here, I go send that to somebody. I go send them make practice. That one wants go do one. And I know say me. I dey give woman respect before because say na mama born me because some women, the kind character wey they get for Europe. If I call them the name now, they'll say I call them the name. The kind character, they know they get patience. Now some of the things where they make them run come up for us, my house. When me bring comes it's almost 6 months, make they come take, they not quick take. I can't see say I dey go for inside Facebookie. I can't see Euro Moses they talk about the thing. He say na fertilizer, and how they eat every man don't eat. And not friend tell una before say na zumo, not they make her they get up, una not care. I friend tell una before say una want to do sologun, una can't take care for me, una not care. Now I see the video where Euro Moses do yesterday as I see him. I'm not supposed to plan. If I dey talk and maybe una not believe. Maybe if I can't talk this Stephanie, I can't talk and I not go believe. Now you play 2 kene for Stephanie, I play 2 kene for inside. And once you go play some more for Iyoro Mose, before we can't go the naked picture, I feel no plan. If we not share and if you not reach 200, I not go show am. I not say I go only flash am. Wait, if na this phone day. So I'll cover am. Nobody wanna share the video, make viral. Make una share the video, make it viral. So, brother, sister, una welcome. Happy Father's Day. I go greet them, my papa. Happy Father's Day. Mama, if you dey for there, you know that Happy Father's Day, try to write am. And some papa not good, now some mama not good. Una supposed to, if Papa not give una mama, he not go come out. Not be so now say happy. That day I see the whole Facebook that day. Happy mother, happy father. They look for his Facebook, you see all those women. Una will be men. Una be careful. Una be careful. Una will be men. Some women they where they weak una spirit. The one I take the agile, the woman can't turn and not feel agile. The woman can't dull una spirit. Now no, that's why I talk and reach. Before we go straight to the point, when I just go there before I call analyze this Stephanie, I feel not analyze them again. I feel not talk them again, but this message don't come out. It must reach there before on Monday. It must reach there. It don't come out. So now wait till he can't talk. Wait till Stephanie can't tell us. Say the small train wait there for street. He said if we feel come out from the street, we feel come out there for street. All those small boy, teenager, 10 years, 12 years, wait there for street. Before they come check to arrogance, come check to Dublin. More quick come out there for street to now he come talk 2 years ago. If I talk him, you see can't talk him again. He not come show see your photo. How the country go take move forward now a day. Not say see your photo, he not show him. He not show land. See your buyer land, he not show him. Oh. I hear say this boy that time he see talk so bad, but he ogba na for remind na ogba bi o. He remind no ogba take come. He not say na money wan come chop. How the community go take good? How the community go take sweet? Now this boy did. That's why they measure in anytime when I do Stephanie. Now good the boy. Now I see her for. I don't know whether I go change it for front o. If you want to one, as you do one say, those women, this boy he go be the secretary. He go be the secretary where go there. He go they teach them. What did they go do now? We will follow them. And those secretary. So una welcome. Now so I the try so. Wait time don't reach. Maybe you call the campaign. Now woman me want campaign for woman. Not be mine again. You don't take where they scatter road, they scatter house. Nothing that they give us. Gele lie. A market when it born lie. So we'll put woman. Una see that what did they call that girl? What they call that lady? I don't know whether a girl, whether a lady. Oh, but muja picking. Already don't I do. He build almost 5 markets for women before he go. He different market when he build. So you see that kind of woman. If we put her for that governor, go do the one we pass that one. Will not be able to somewhere the scatter road. Where the scatter road they thief money. So they come that they said the best governor, Ekdom was great. 3 months, 4 months. They never lay foundation for what they want to do for us. They never dig foundation. Say now this one with the see what they want to do for us now. So more time I say it go complete paka. They'll say Shaibu come. Obaseki come. Show me the come out. He said Obaseki come. So more time yet paka Shaibu come. So next year we'll form Edo women as a governor. We diaspora will go join together. We'll tell our papa, tell our mama, Koko Edo, Igbake, we'll tell our papa, our mama, make una vote for this woman. Now this woman we need as we una first one for Obaseki. Una the year, I bet you make una share the vera. So when I go play Yori on, so now no say I know they play tape for video. When I play Yori on, when I talking for Yori on, if I talking for Yori on, we almost finish. So if another thing they when I see do, I go do one. If another thing not do, I know I don't tell you I say I not go to take for Facebook again. If una want, make una do this for me, make una subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. As I come out, so I know say na 3 hours I want to spend. Papa go carry a pikin. He go carry his wife, he sit down for corner. You go to look at Prophet Atiti, the new generation. You go to sweet the belly, go to sweet you go to take a vino, you go to take a beer, you go to take a cowboy meat, you go to take a cowboy, cow leg, and be cowboy. You go to solo am. If na 3 hours, I come make you understand. If I want to do anything where not complete, I go for Facebook, you go do one for that side. The YouTube, now what you want to do down, now me and you go and build down. Pikin when they come, they'll come learn something for inside. Anyhow, we tell they speak the Edo. Even though the Edo not complete, if you don't they go, other people will speak the Edo, where hear the Edo pastors, maybe they'll come to join us all time to time. So, I bet this video, where Stephanie do so, say our children there for streets. Our children is suffering, they are begging for food to eat. Fulani no dey let us dey go farm again. Abati lao, abeg Abati let Arisha Obaseki hand o. Children dey for street, moku comot children for street. Abado baze, no be see your photo again. Make una fair abado see your photo. Make una fair drop a first moku comot the children for street. Make dem no go dey commit abomination. Make dem no go dey commit adultery. Abado baze, make una to find solution o. But God Obaseki no say the excellent make una find solution. Chaibu. I beg you. So, we'll go the other one. That one don't finish.
It's okay. Out of 100 men, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or more. No, they fertilizer, niyani. I'm a fertilizer. Orange fertilizer.
What I? Ibunami will be said, Fukulizer. I beg you, I can go for a side video. I go speak beneath for this one. I go take beneath me son. I dey go now. I can't hear something they say Fukulizer. Now I can't listen to Fukulizer. Me, I know they watch the video. As I can't listen, say the old man, say more with the thought truth, say more with not the for more they say the truth. Say the old man, Izumo, Fukulizer, is there Fukulizer, Eba Fukulizer, Stashi Fukulizer. Inyami fertilizer, water fertilizer. It don't tell when I dey tell una since then say I get am for root. Where they make a ginger. This truth, una know say don't take for house. I go tell una because I be picking when not the talk lie. I dey sincere for anything when I dey do. This truth, if you carry reach house, you know say for our place, now fresh wood, now we'll take bring and put am for inside bottle, put drink. But it don't dry now. You go put drink, you make sure say it soak. Not be say you take am once, you say no work. You say you are abandoner. So if you carry an issue house, let am soak for so many times. If you don't soak, you dey take am, you go see the differences, enable their differences. That time, not say you not go remember me again. But if you be woman, you know say that thing they make you the verse. You know, say if you get and well, if you get the woman well, they break, you go lead down and greet you. If you woman get us for go say, you know, say the thing, no, eh? So if you be woman, if your husband is ashamed to call, may you call. As you call, I go drop her for your address. As he come, may you put her for something, bad drink put. You suffer the give her because if you go say me, you go come out, go to find another one. If they tell you, I said the old men, you are there for outside, moku they bought them, moku they temata, moku they tell truth, say all of them are 3 minutes. He said Fukulizer, don't come, he don't kill them. He said some men, some women go say you want to go bedroom, go banway before the man come, before the woman come, the pig go down, you know go walk again. But me they promise you, me new generation prophet Atiti, if you reach your house, let them soak. If na fresh one, at the time with the new brigand and a fresh one now. They got the guarantee other 3 months, that one. This one now, before you go, you know, say if wood does strong, before you go come penetrate, soak, it they take time. And this one where it don't dry, so if you soak, the bitterness go kill the fertilizer, it go kill that fertilizer come out. So I beg make una share this video, make it viral. Now not say na me una pikin wey no dey take for live video. I just can't drop am. I can't wish our papa happy birthday. I can't wish our papa happy Father's Day. As I can't wish the happy Father's Day, he get the naked picture when he show with me. I go only show the woman head. I go only show the woman head and I go show your body. I fit send a go. Make una dey beg our mama wey dey for there. Our sisters wey dey for there. Na beg we go dey beg una. All those kind things, not be wetin you call for, not be wetin you good. Before you follow man, look at the type of man where you follow. Before you open left for man, look at the man. Me not talk say me good, me are not good. But not be say all those kind of things wey come, where pikin come see, pikin no go happy. The pride for father, pikin no go happy. Another man spend, you take and feed another man, pikin no go happy. All those kind of things, our mama. If una dey bear patient, no ask where they know the quarrel. No house where they not the quarrel at all. Person wey talk say they not the quarrel for house. Oh go ta dolojo oh go ta. If they said to so family will see better person wey go fit to put, not be some your corner they come put fire. Everything go dissolve every day. So your corner they come put fire go dissolve every day. So I beg our mama make una deviate from una character, some kind character. We know say una dey single, man not dey. That's why go bring master they tell una no wan agree. He say 2 to 3, 2 to 4, una no agree. Una no agree. Now make it the 6 surplus like me. 2 to 3. Now my papa tell me 2 to 3. Now my papa tell me you know say you know fit stay. You go. Because first one don't go. My papa tell me say as first one go, if I want carry again 2 to 3. But if I see the one when I like it well, when if they give me happiness, when if they give me jolly, I not go take another one, John Amo. If I not see the one way they say, if I talk, he go say gang. If I talk, he go say gang. If I talk, he go say gang. If I tell I say like this, go say like this. Another one go just join a sharp. Because me no feel they come for outside, firewood go there for inside my house, fire go there. So if you say you be firewood and they talk to you, you know the year I go put another one for outside where you go to cook my fire, where you go to cook the fire for my body, you go to cook the fire. So if you all those who way get that fire for body, all those women, I beg. Make una quench money kuna take water quench fire. Make una do well for our papa. If una they do well for our papa go to do well for now. I see some women now, their husband go they dress every 5 o'clock if they go work. You know if you escort and reach the month, you know if you kiss her, you go just sleep while the man go come. All those ones they discourage the man for housey. They discourage the women. We be men with the tell truth, with the tell you the truth. We not go to tell us truth. So that's why I dropped the video reach. They say a parable they the true. I know say I know the take for live video when I look on 43. And I know say I know the take for live video. And they say I take talk on. When you make me come this evening and this Stephanie, and make me run, come talk, come analyze the way I just have been analyzed. If other presenter there, this one a topic where all presenters supposed to talk, put. I have to command the children for street. I have to lay a good foundation for all those children, what we call new generation. Not be all those children go grow, come and they'll sit there for street, they'll come join arrogancy. They'll come join arrogancy. I don't want to all and finish away the son of my mama the 1 year old arrogant. I know what I take on me. They'll call the killy. They'll call the killy. They say any about budget when he did for a side Bini, make we call it our governor or Baseki and all that say. Make it a beg, make it come on the children for street. Make them not go be arrogant or daytime is coming. Daytime is coming, make them not go be arrogant. Now I see Jamie, Yodo almost a video as a jammer. Now I see come plan, which he talk. He say fertilizer don't kill it, he don't kill it. Now they tell una now. Who see this video, make share I get them for big bag for year, for root, where they make the pennies they get up. You go the all those fertilizer wait there for your body, you go the chop on, you go the piece and throw away, you go the chop on, you go the piece and throw away, you go the chop on, you go the piece and throw away. But as the root be now, it too strong. Not be say you just carry and reach us, you just put drink, you just start to drink at daybreak. You no go work, except you soak first. If you don't soak, you start to drink and you go see, maybe 1 month when you start to drink and you go the piece the fertilizer, the throw away, the juice, you go the piece everything they throw away. After the other 1 month, when we start go get up in daybreak, you go say, you go put me for ground, you go say, don't more daddy. Honey, sugar go the crop us. Sugar go the surplus for the house. So I beg, make una share the video, make it viral. If you be man wait there, you be woman wait there. Your husband they near you, they do like this. Go try and they say there is trying army. Maybe I saw it. There is trying army. Oh, there is trabi army. Come and buy the root. You go see and whether. It will take time before it soak, but when it does soak, you will see whether difference not go day. Maybe if na 3 minutes, from 3 minutes to 5 minutes, 5 minutes to 6 minutes, 6 minutes to 15 minutes, you go come dey normal. If you want me pass 15 minutes, you fit drink am well. If you want me take am 15 minutes, that one you take am, you take am small. That 15 minutes wey you don chop one, you go bath again. You go chop the second one before you bath. But if you take am well, if you chop one, na sleep you go. You just sleep. But if you want chop am like 2 times, you just take am small. That minimum 15 minutes, you go bath, you go chop another one as we dey do am. Na so we take dey do am. So na wetin I dey so me dey tell una make una come take e route. If una take this route, if you be woman wey dey there, your husband dey shame. They say na woman I be house. They say na woman I be house. Woman not shame. Me na prophet Atiti. I no go record you. I no dey record person. If I can't record you, I can't bring you come at my work. You no go sell again. So not be afraid. I beg make una share the video, make it viral. May rich man and woman hand. Una no say nah. If I go YouTube now, if I go YouTube, no be all call. I go dey receive call again. If I come, I can't do what I can't do. If you want call me, you call me. I fit put my number there. If I see which may person call, now person will see call. But if I not tell anybody call again, I know they want call again. It distract me from what I bring. I don't need that like that. Especially if I don't go YouTube. Now what I bring can't deliver. Now I can't deliver. If you want call me, if I want make people see call, I go call. So my country people, my brother, my sisters, all the whole world, all the glue, I beg make una share this video. Anyhow I take drop this video this evening, anyhow I take drop am, pikin when he get sense, he go take the better one, he go leave the fake one. I dey beg all presenters, wey say they be presenter because me no be presenter. Me na traditional doctor, Owen, na me I be, Prophet Atiti, the new generation. I no be presenter. I no be pikin wey go school. I no get wetin I dey present. People wey go school na dey present matter. Me no get wetin I dey present. Una know say I tell una say I no go primary, I no go secondary school, I no go takara. Only wetin me I know that time na Bible BK na me I know. Wey dey come check to Bible knowledge now. I still know that book where they say Agbo Malaka live without call Agun. And get one sing where they sing that time for where we want that line. The day is bright and fair. Oh happy day, Mama Jollof rice. And I saw we take the sing at that time. And only that one now I know when I go. So I beg any I just speak the broken English, any I take put on. Make una collect her from my hand. Make una fit around. All the old presenter. This video is very important. This video of Stephanie. Anyhow you take analyze them. Because all those children, if they come off for street, they get where they stay, they take care of them. They cook for them, they prepare food for them, they cook for them. All those children wait there for street, so they cook for them. All those abandoned house, even though they don't put lights, they take zinc for us. Make they pack all those children go. If they feel they cook for them, they take care of them. They teach them better things. I believe say 6 years time, crime go less. Now that one make una help us analyze that video. But anyway, Barry cannot give away. So you people are blessed. Who are you even have mama wayagbe? Now me una brother, happy Father's Day. I beg you make una the right time for them. If not today be your first day of coming, maybe me press the like key. Make una the press the like for me. Wait till I talk it good or not good to make una the press the like for me. Mona press the notification bell. Mona press the following. Make una press the like your team. As una go bless. If for money una go bless for everything. So that's why I play the video reach. The 2 video when I see just and that's why I plan reach. If you be that woman, help your husband. No wait. They say heaven help those that help themselves. Any other time. Heaven help those that help themselves. You know. Heaven help those that help themselves. If you be woman where they there, you know say man not the too much the get sent. Mona can't get the root. The root is very expensive. It's very necessary. Necessary. The root is very necessary. No more kuna not blame me, make kuna not laugh me. Oh, any people when I speak. The time my person when I go school, I don't know B. Rabbit oh, not let me see road. I want catch rabbit oh for so that I go to camp put I go carry snake, blast snake come out. I go see kill the snake, I go see chopper. As hungry reach for that country, that time. So they will come out. Talk us say nah, Fulani not dey let people go bush again. Fulani they say the old bush they don't camp on. All the old small trees they dey for street now. And they look all of now we be present and are quiet now. The time we go set. As you go dey cry now, say me go dey cry oh. Una not say na so Libya on just start small. All those buzu, all those Fulani. Una not say they be buzu. So now we supposed to start to cry, follow them now. Mostly all those trees, they make the park, they come up for streets. Now, yes, they go people school now, they go the park people come up for inside school, and school not there again now. We don't get academic as and talk. Say no academic, nothing. Oh, they are no. See your fault. Buy your land. Now they know. You know, say that before now ticket, now they use ticket, now they do ticket for market. Ticket for market, now they use that they collect money. This time now lady, see your foot. Now they who get us, now get see your foot. Who get see your foot? Now they take come oh. They want claim all of na papa property if una not. When una come out there for them, they come out for them. May they carry the tree they go inside house. May they carry the tree they go inside house. See. May they list your vote. The house where our papa build, don't see your vote. We not stay for inside the house. Una just say the house for. So now so we drop the video reach. I beg sister, brother, una good evening. No say I know you take for video. If I talk wetin no good for you, make una pardon me. If they pay me well, where people see the by now, our much children to the suffer. You know dey for papa and you know dey for mama and you know how many of our people die for desert where we not see today again, we not see them again. So, how many of our people die for desert? Will Papa not see again, will Mama not see again because of the house situation of our place? In the next 5 years, you don't know as it could come be full and you know they let people go inside bush again now. How many Papa get work for that Benin? How many Papa get work? Now farm they take they eat before. And farm now they not they go inside farm again. All of una quiet. Una dey find recording one I want to play, one I want play, take get view and now they find una dey find record, una quiet all of una. Now farm, now we dey do that time for village, we dey do farm. But fear not they let them they go inside farm again, all the old too much children they full straight now. Una see the quiet, una see the look. I beg. Who get a matty, we go fit blow trumpet, make it the play the prophet. As with the blow they go, make they pack the small children come off for street, now we come back then. We no want not be see your fault with the fine again, make they pack the small children come out for street. Make they put them for abandoned house. If na zinc they take block them, we not say make they renovate them. Make they pack they go there. If na daily food, make they feed they give them food. If we don't have 2 times in a day, the children go no say na 2 times in a day. If not 10 o'clock in the morning, 6 o'clock in the evening, they give the 2 times food a day. If not only 2 times, it better pass the day for street. It better pass it tomorrow, they come check to arrogant. It better to tomorrow, they come check to thief. We don't know how many of our pikin right from our set. We don't know how many of our brothers don't die because of our situation, because of poverty. They join with it, they not go join. They go join with it, they not go join. They join everything where they're not supposed to join. No, how many of our brothers don't die? They come now. They say Edo must great. Edo must move forward. Not be that they do for us. So, we not say Shomole brigand. If you want to come out and go preach Aibu, before that time, we will form a Edo women. Not be women waiting for Europe. Not be all those Mr. Recorder. Not be all those kind of one. We get her for Esako, we get her for Agbo, we get her for Edo, we get her for all tribes where that Benin. Edo women, they are one. They not be two, they are one. Edo women, we not get party. Edo women, we'll go try and all of us go see clap and follow us, we clap and follow Baseki. Mo go put her there, mo will try the woman. Una no say for Germany that day, I know say some people go they go they write Baba comment now, they not get sense. We know say Germany where they more than 16 years now. Now Jalamaka there for that post. Now one come on, they say the beggar sister again. Woman who he there for that post, Germany. More than 16 years we don't rule now. They see the beggar say one come on now. They say me see rule. Mo see try woman for that Edo state. Whether we see say as it go be. Now so I drop the video reach. Papa, mama, I greet all of una. Make una not verse any I take drop the video. Make una not let verse una. I beg make una share the video, make it viral. Na me una brother, una pikin, new generation prophet Atiti. Happy Father's Day, my papa. Happy Father's Day, my brothers. I beg, if una see this video, make una share and make it viral. I just say many things. Continue. If you call me, not be everything I feel they explain now. If you call me, you ask me. I will make the one when I get. If na prayer you see it, I'll still give unto you. Una know why nobody else start this work fully. I want when I go YouTube first. Because of all those katakata with the far side since then, where would they try to come? Now see the outside don't they come now. The outside don't they good now. All what did they say before. Benin people don't they happy now. All those nonsense when they do. It gets some particular spot when they remember. It gets the real recruit. They recruit every year. Now every year they recruit. You just say some don't they leave there now. They recruit another new one now. Where they take destroy man, where they take the abuse man. Now because of those people now come as is there. So when they get particular set when they remain where they carry man, they go juju, where they carry woman go juju. Where they say that they repair community. Oh, Papa man where they repair community, woman where they repair community, you go carry person go juju. Say you want go kill her. Anyway, we not sit quiet. That's why I tell you, I say Facebooking. This is Facebook now for them. YouTube now for our papa, our Pekin. We will go the gist. We will go the jubilate. Now so we'll do. I beg make una share the video, make it viral. If you be man way dead there, you be woman way dead there. No shame. Call me, come take the route. I go tell you the way they follow the route they go. If you don't take them, among the people who don't take them from my heart before, when I see look at, if you look at for her, you know what is soak. If you look the bottle for her, you know what is soak, you know what is not soak. So if you don't soak, you'll see the way they achieve it. You'll see fertilizer go wrong, fertilizer go wrong for your body. Now so, if me don't try well, fertilizer not there for my body. That's why I say every day now they young, every day now they young. Even they draw the fat where they for my belly, they draw the fat. If sleep person one user now, not be every day go they take every morning. If me want come up for us every morning, they take short, but the sleep person want take you know they take like that. If you fast before you go, they explain you small, you can't be modelo. You know say the belly when they cover the thing before. As if they explain you small, the belly will come out, the belly will come they slim down. So now so. Now God will bless all of you. Now not be everybody like to take on. Not be everybody like to take root. Now root tonight for the work. You know they work for water. And some people they we don't fit take this route. We get all those diabetes. You go get the one of the diabetes. You go first chop that one first. The one of the diabetes. You go first chop that one first before you go chop this route. Now so I drop and raise this evening. Make una share the video. Make it viral. So God will bless all of you now. Make una not first any I take drop the message. Now no say I not take 1 hour is 1 hour. So you don't complete marker. Now I say I go cut on una good night. Tomorrow, hey, that I not show the naked picture. I not show the naked picture. Okay, tomorrow more put on tomorrow evening. Tomorrow evening I'll come show him. I not go show him or I flash him. If you want one show him, you go right yes. If you want one show him, I not go show him. But I go send that one, send that to person myself. One send that to person. One send that to person. Don't say that to person. So maybe tomorrow evening I'll call him in over plan. Tomorrow evening I can't talk about it before we go straight to the point. I beg now. So I drop the video, reach people not first. Any Asian reason day for inside the matter, reason day for inside the matter. For that one, for a for the men, I beg, it's very necessary. Mona can't take on. Mona tell puna men. Mona tell puna woman. I know say because of that 3 minutes, 5 minutes, many women not they happy for us again. Many women now, mostly if you friends, you call and say, na so how they try. Oh, make okay, now lie, that's why they talk to you, now was possible. He no go accept you for you, but you go accept your own for them. For now, they accept to each other now, we could take on. It not too cost, we could take on, but you go take time before you go soak. If you don't soak, you go see him. Food where you not cook, wait your husband there. Food where you not cook, wait your husband before you go cook and wait and so we drop the message reach. Make una share the video. If not today be your first time when they come here, I bet press the notification bell, me press the like, me press the following. In case anytime when I do for line, you go next new generation dey for line. You go make it yo. So that you go make you know say if me see press I like your thing button, me you press on too. Me press the following, me you subscribe to Prophet Atiti Top Show. God go bless all of you now. The leg one I take come here this evening, the eye one I can't wash me. Anything one they do for my life. Say enemy say because una can't wash me. They want to can talk to a bad thing. That enemy go down after me death. Before 7 days, that man wey say because he can't wash me, say you want to enter your body, that man will die before 7 days, that woman will die before 7 days. Wait till good, now go they enter your house for money. Today na happy Father's Day. They say, man, I be the head of the house. Any I take pray this prayer for now. We come here today. You go follow now. Anything wanna lay hand to be, you wanna lay hand upon. Anything wanna they fight for na life. One want me Baba God to do for now. Okuta deme the negworo. Aka so back asebu. Aka senika. Emotionally do for now. Happiness na na portion. Victory na na portion. Happy weekend day. So I beg. Na so I drop the video. Reach any I take drop am. Make una dey take am first. The way we don enter YouTube. Na don I call dey see different Benin prayer. When I go dey bring the comment. Una go dey see as you go dey work. So they say. They know they hurry for life, they know they run for life. So na na end with the race. Any I take the talk and maybe if I don't enter YouTube, not be so it could be cool. We solve the talk and one. We solve the look like they put the grant. So make una share the video, make it better, and do well. God will bless all of you and a good night too.